Lolo, may emerging na chain of supermarkets ngayon. Kailangan maipasok ang mga produkto natin doon.
And?
Kilala raw kayo na may-ari. Your old classmate or something? Kayo ang gustong makausap. Come on, Lolo. It's just a meeting. Ano bang ginagawa niyo dito sa bahay? Hinihintay niyo lang umuwi si Luisa from school every day just like what you did with me before.
I'm retired, Allison. I can do anything I want. Now you either handle that business or I go back to the office and take over your position.
You know, Papa, Allison is right. Si Luisa may sarili ng buhay. May mga bagong barkada, classmates, hanging out with friends. Why don't you go out also and mingle with your friends? Or better yet, come with me anytime na binibisita ko si Jared.
No. I'd rather wait here sa pag-uwi ng asawa ko rather than makaharap ko yung anak mong pasasakitin lang ang ulo ko. Now, if you really want me to visit Jared, make sure it's going to be worth my while.